Using Qwen, what you can also do is you can easily go ahead and generate out a song. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say something like generate a song which is bright and happy about the joy of playing video games on a web browser, let's say, for example. And I'm also going to go ahead and say, along with the lyrics of the song, give the musical notations as well. So if I were to actually go ahead and type in this, then it actually goes ahead and then writes a song about it. So you can see that the song title is Browser Game Bliss. So I open up my browser, a world of fun awaits. With just one click, I'm flying high through pixel worlds and magic gates. And you can see that it gives like the musical chords for it as well right here. And this is the verse one. Then it gives me the chorus right here. Oh, browser games, they light me up. They take me to another place. No downloads, no waiting time. Just pure joy across my face. And then you got the verse 2, the chorus, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. So this is what you have right here, and it gives you the musical notes right here, the notation, and everything else, as you can see right here, even the time signature and instrument suggestions right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can actually go ahead and even generate out a song using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.